Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the next type of problems in boats and stream. Let's say the concept first. They didn't give the time value. Instead of that they said twice or thrice. So in this word is very important. So if you are facing like this type of question means how you can do. We will see the question first. A man can row 9 km per hour in still water. The speed of the boat is 9 km per hour according to this question. It takes him twice as long as to row down. So find the rate of the stream of the river. So we don't know the time taken for upstream and downstream. Anyway, it takes him twice as long as row to down. So downstream, if we are taking downstream for 1 hour means the upstream will be 2 hours. Therefore, the speed is equivalent to upstream speed and downstream speed. Upstream speed is equivalent to 1 and downstream speed is equivalent to 2. Why I am writing this means speed is inversely proportional to time taken. So downstream time taken is 1 hour and upstream time taken is 2 hours. Therefore, upstream speed and downstream speed is 1x and 2x while doing the inverse proportion. After that, we need to find the rate of the stream here. We have one data. What is that? Speed of boat. Speed of boat is equivalent to downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. Here, what is your speed of boat? 9. So, downstream speed is 1x and upstream speed is 2x divided by 2. Okay, now 9 which is equivalent to 3x by 2. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Anyway, the x value is 6. Therefore, upstream speed is equivalent to 6 km per hour and downstream speed is equivalent to 12 km per hour. So, according to this question, downstream speed is 12 km per hour and upstream speed is 6 km per hour. So, speed of the stream is equivalent to downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. Downstream speed is 12 minus 6 divided by 2. Therefore, 6 by 2 which is equivalent to 3 km per hour. 3 km per hour. This is your answer. Option C is the correct answer. So, first of all, we want to find out the downstream speed and upstream speed based on the speed of boat. We'll move on to your next question. A motor boat goes 8 km an hour in still water but takes thrice as much time in going the same distance against the current than going with the current, along with the current. Then the speed of the current is. So here the speed of the current, we need to find out the speed of the stream or speed of the current. Downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. So we have one data. What is that? 8 km is the speed of the boat. So speed of the boat is 8 km per hour. Okay. So what is the time taken for upstream and downstream? While taking 1 hour for downstream means for upstream it taking 3 hours, thrice as much as. So therefore speed is equivalent to upstream speed is 2, downstream speed is 1 is to 3. So speed is inversely proportional to time taken. Here I am equating speed of boat is equivalent to downstream speed 3x plus upstream speed 1x divided by 2. 8 2s are 16, that is 4x. There is 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. X is equivalent to 4. Therefore, downstream speed is 3 into 4 12 and upstream speed is 4 km per hour. Downstream speed is 12 km per hour. Then we'll move on to the speed of the stream. Downstream speed is 12 and upstream speed is 4. 12 minus 4 divided by 2. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4 km per hour. So this is your answer. Option A is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. A boy can swim in still water at 4.5 km per hour but takes twice as long as swim upstream than downstream. Then the speed of the stream. Here we need to calculate the speed of the stream. Before that, the time taken for upstream and downstream is, if the downstream time taken is 1 hour, means the person takes twice as long, therefore 2 hours. The speed is equivalent to upstream speed and downstream speed is equivalent to 1:2. So inverse speed is inversely proportional to time taken. So according to this question, we know the data of speed of boat. What is speed of boat? Is nothing but speed of man. So speed of man is 4.5. Okay, so I can equate this. Speed of boat is equivalent to 4.5. 4.5 km per hour is downstream speed is, your downstream speed is 2 km per hour and upstream speed is 1 km per hour. Divide by 2, 9, which is equivalent to 3x. So x is equivalent to 3. Therefore, downstream speed is 3 2s are 6 km per hour. Upstream speed is 3 km per hour. We'll move on to find out the speed of the stream. What is your speed of the stream here? Downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. What is your downstream speed? 6. And what is your upstream speed? 3. 6 minus 3 divided by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5 km per hour. So answer is option C. We'll move on to your next question. A person can row 8.5 km an hour in still water and he finds that it takes him twice as long to row up as to row down the river. The speed of the stream. Here the speed of the boat is, that speed of the person or the speed of the boat is 8.5 km per hour. Okay, now time taken for upstream and downstream is twice. If you are taking downstream for 1 hour, means upstream will be 2 hours. Therefore, speed is equivalent to downstream speed, upstream speed. That is, we want to doing the cross multiplication. So, according to this, downstream speed is 2 and upstream speed is 1. Speed is inversely proportional to time taken. So, therefore, 8.5 speed of boat is equivalent to downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. What is your upstream speed? 1. So 8.5, 8 2s are 16, 16, 17, which is equivalent to 2 plus 1 is 3x. So therefore 1 3s are 3, or else here 5 3s are 15, remainder 2, 5.6 is the x value. So therefore downstream speed is 2.2 into 5.6. Upstream speed is 1 into 5.6. So 2 into 5.6 is nothing but downstream speed is 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 11.2 and upstream speed is equivalent to 5.6. This is your downstream speed and this is the upstream speed. Calculate the speed of the stream. Speed of the stream is equal to downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. What is the downstream speed? 11.6 minus what is upstream speed here? 5.6 divided by 2. So therefore 6 minus 6 0, 11 minus 5 is 6. 6.0 divided by 2 is 3.0. This is your answer, 3.0 kilometer per hour. So according to this question, none of these is your answer. Yeah, this is the example of how we can calculate the speed of the stream and speed of the boat while taking the time, including the time alone. If the time taken is 2 hours, means It depends upon the questions. For example, I am saying if the time taken for upstream and downstream 2 hours 1 hour respectively means the speed will be 1:2, 1 hour and 2. Speed will be 1:2. Speed is inversely proportional to time taken. Based on this data, we can able to find out the speed of the stream as well as downstream speed and upstream speed. Thank you for watching.